Hello students, today's topic is reciprocity theorem. Content of this topic is statement, assumptions and proof of reciprocity theorem. In general language, according to reciprocity theorem, if antenna used as a transmitter or receiver, it would radiate same amount of radiation in atmosphere. For this, we are having to prove this reciprocity theorem, we are having two antennas, antenna number 1 and antenna number 2. Antenna number 1 has EMF E12 and a current I1. Antenna number 2 has EMF E21 and current I2. To prove reciprocity theorem, we are using two-port network, and these are EMFs and current of this two-port. In reciprocity theorem, we have two antennas, first as a transmitter, second as a receiver. Then if we are applying E12 EMF in first transmitter antenna, then it will generate I2 current in second antenna, and if we apply E21 EMF in second antenna, it will generate I1 current in first antenna. Statement says that if both the EMF are equal, then it will generate same amount of current in same amplitude and phase. So this statement is says if an EMF is applied to the terminal of an antenna number 1, EMF is applied to terminal of antenna number 1 and current measured at the terminal of another antenna. We measured this current I2 in this second antenna. Then an equal current both in amplitude and phase will be obtained. And this current in antenna number 1 is obtained, I1 is obtained at the terminal of antenna number 1 if the same EMF is applied to the terminal of antenna number 2. If we apply this amount of EMF in the antenna number 2, then this current is having the same amplitude and same phase. Another statement says that if current is applied to one antenna, then it will induce same amount of current E21 in another antenna. And if we apply current I2 in second antenna, it will induce E12 amount of EMF in first antenna. Then if both the currents are same, then it will generate same amount of EMF in different antennas. So this statement is also similar to statement number 1, or the equations in statement number 2 is if I1 is equals to I2, then E12 equal to E21. We have some assumptions. First assumption is EMF E12 and E21 are of same frequency. Second assumption is between two antennas, medium is linear, passive and isotropic. And third assumption is generator of EMF, generator and ammeter both should have zero impedance or equal impedance. Next, transfer impedance Z12 is equals to EMF of antenna 1 E12 upon current in antenna 2 I2. Similarly, Z21 is equals to E21 upon I1. According to statement, if I1 equal to I2, then E12 should equals to E21. According to reciprocity theorem, Z12 equal to Z21, and these two terms also called the mutual impedance, that is Zm. Now, to prove reciprocity theorem, we have to prove this statement. If I1 equal to I2, then E12 equal to E21. For this, we have two antennas and we are placing a network between the two antennas which is having linear, passive and bilateral impedances. We are using 4-terminal representation of antenna system. These are the 4-terminal representation of antenna system, and we are using Z parameters. Z parameter equivalent circuit is like this, in which first antenna is having E12 EMF and current generated in second antenna is I2, and in first antenna I1 current and EMF in second antenna is E21. The first second loop we are applying Kirchhoff's mesh law. Apply Zm into I2, Zm I2 plus Z22 into I2. Next, in this Zm we are having I1 current also, but in opposite direction. This I1 is in downward and this I2 is upward. So in negative sign using the different direction of current. So minus Zm I1, Zm into I1 is equals to 0. There is no voltage source in this loop, so is equals to 0. Then Zm Z22 having a similar current, so we are taking I2 out. Minus Zm I1 is equals to 0. Then Zm plus Z22 into I2 is equals to this minus sign. This equation goes in this side and Zm I1. Next I2 is equals to numerator upon denominator. This goes this side. Zm upon Zm plus Z22 I1. So equation number 1. So by using loop 1 we have another equation, that is minus Z12 plus Z11 I1 plus Zm I1. Next is this impedance having two currents, so I1 is positive, so we are taking I2 is negative because they are in different directions, so minus Zm I2 equal to 0. Now take common I1, so that next is Z11 plus Zm. I1 is taking common, minus Zm I2. Next is equal to E12 in another side is equals to E12. I2, value of I2. So we are putting equation number 1 in this equation. So equation number value of I2 put in this equation. So this Z11 plus Zm I1 minus Zm, or put I2 value. So Zm upon Zm plus Z22 into I1 is equals to E12. Now we are taking the LCM of both these two terms. So LCM would be as Zm plus Z22, and this term is multiplying by this term, and Zm Z11 plus Zm into Zm plus Z22. And now after taking LCM, this equation is like that, like this. So Zm11 plus Zm multiplied by this equation, so we are getting Z11 into Zm, Z11 into Z22, Zm square, Zm into Z22 minus Zm square upon Zm plus Z22 multiplied by I1 is equals to E12. Now Zm square cancel out because of different sign convention. Next is I1, and this term is goes in this side, so this is, and this remaining terms put into the denominator. So we are having Zm in common in these two terms, so we are taking Zm common. Left terms are Z11 and Z22 are in addition, and this term is there only. This is equation number 2. We are putting equation number 2 in equation number 1. So put value of I1 in equation number 1. This is equation number 1, that is I2 equal to I1 Zm upon Z22 plus Zm. So now we are putting this I2 value, I1 value and getting I2 value. So I1 is this, put this in this equation. So E12 Zm plus Z22 upon Z11 Z22 plus Zm Z11 plus Z22. Multiply by this in the denominator, Z122 plus Zm and Zm in this numerator. So these two terms are similar, so they are cancelling. Now we are getting the value of I2. I2 is equals to Z12 Zm upon Z11 Z22 plus Zm Z11 plus Z22. From figure 1 we are getting the equation number 2. We are getting I2, value of I2. This is equation number 3. Similarly, by using figure number 2, we are having current I1. For this, both the figures are symmetry, so suffix 2 is replaced by 1, and we get the equation of I1 also. So I1 is equals to E12 replaced by E21 Zm as it is. Both the 2 and 1 is suffix are replaced, so Z11 plus Zm multiplied by Z22 plus Z11. Equation 3 and equation 4 are of same except the value of EMF, so both the equations are same. Now to prove this reciprocity theorem, if I1 is equals to I2 and if we are getting the both EMF equal, then this reciprocity theorem is proved. So So applying the condition I1 equal to I2, both the terms are similar terms except EMF. So these are cancel out and only E21 is equals to E1 to left. So these EMFs are equal if we are taking current equal. So our reciprocity theorem proved. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.